How to block emails on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Mail application on your iPhone. Opening the Mail app, you're taken to the Mailboxes page, where you can view all available folders. Tap on the Inbox option. Open any email from the sender you wish to block. At the top of the message, tap on the sender's name. Tap on the sender's name, which is displayed in blue. A contact information screen will appear. Tap on the blue Block this contact option. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap Block this contact again to finalize the action. The sender is now blocked. Following these steps, you can easily block emails on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.